Assalamu alaikum. This is Omar Farooq. Welcome to my Farooq's English. I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. I say wrong things. I do wrong things. I fail and get back up. I learn and grow. That's life. I am not perfect. I make mistakes. I say wrong things. I do wrong things. I fail and get back up. I learn and grow. That's life. Never give up. In your life, whatever you do, never give up. You have a fixed goal. So try to reach your goal. Try to make your goal as a result. Without any effort, you cannot go to your certain goal. Everybody wants fear to make mistakes. Everybody feel fear to say wrong things. And there is nobody who doesn't fear to do wrong things. This is our part of life. We should not fear about this type of silly things. We have to determine that this will happen in our life, and we are overcoming these things every day. We have ability. We have power to overcome these silly things. What type of silly things? Mistakes, saying wrong things, doing wrong things, etc. We fail. In every step, we fail. Then in a certain day, success comes. After failing, and failing, success comes to our feet. That is very important. We are learning and get back up. Yes, this is true. We learn and grow. And that's the reality of life. Yes, without learning, we cannot be grown. We cannot go ahead. First of all, we have to learn. Then we grow. Then we will be grown. We will be a big tree of suitable fruits. So, never care about your mistakes. Never care about what you are saying, whether it is wrong or right. Never pay heed anything silly that you are doing wrong or right. Just think about that. You are learning. You are back up. You are getting back up. You are growing day by day. Just think it, imagine it. And try to motivate yourselves with this sentence. I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. I say wrong things. I do wrong things. I fail and get back up. I learn and grow. That's life. This is your motivational sentence, you can say, and try to remember it. Thank you so much watching me and listening me carefully. See you next one. Bye bye.